Hi, my name is George, and I am a brave knight. I live in a small village surrounded by lush green meadows and tall mountains. One day, a terrifying dragon arrives and starts terrorizing our peaceful village. Everyone is scared, but I know it is my duty to protect my people. Equipped with my shiny armor and trusty sword, I march towards the dragon's lair. As I approach, I see the fiery flames spewing from the dragon's mouth. Smoke fills the air, and the ground trembles beneath my feet. The dragon's roars echo through the mountains, sending shivers down my spine. With a deep breath, I step forward and face the fearsome creature. I raise my sword and charge towards the dragon, dodging its powerful claws and fiery breath. The dragon's scales are impenetrable, but I am determined to defeat it and save my village. With all my strength, I swing my sword towards the dragon's neck. But the dragon swiftly moves, and I miss my mark. Undeterred, I continue to fight, leaping and tumbling to avoid the dragon's attacks. The dragon's tail lashes out, barely missing me as I duck and roll away. I strategize and observe the dragon's movements, looking for any weaknesses. Suddenly, I spot a vulnerable spot on its belly. I swiftly approach and strike with precision. My sword pierces through the dragon's scales, causing it great pain. Roaring in agony, the dragon thrashes around, unable to fly anymore. It attempts one final, desperate attack. I skillfully evade its jaws and strike one last time, plunging my sword into its heart. With a mighty cry, the dragon falls to the ground, defeated. The once fierce creature now lies motionless before me. I have succeeded in saving my village from the dragon's reign of terror. As I walk back to the villagers cheer and applaud my bravery. I am the hero who protected them and ensured their safety. Seeing their joyful faces fills my heart with happiness, knowing that I have made a difference. Thanks for listening to my story.